Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen OOPS object-oriented programming in Java programming language, uh, examples of classes and objects, some properties of OOPS, basically the pillars of OOPS. In this video, we will see class attribute and class method that we use a lot because without these things, there is no OOP, there is no concept. Okay. So let's start what exactly is class attribute. So this is a very simple program. This is a very simple program, as we have seen that this is a method.java program. Okay, this is our package name, that is learn. Okay, in the package we have, there are a lot of Java programs, operation oops variable. So in method.java we have created one class, that is method. Okay, and as we have studied in the last video that there are some every class has some attributes and their properties, basically has there some features. Okay, so let's say method is our class. Okay, and let's say this int x is equal to 9. So this is a simple variable, but if we say to this variable in terms of class, then this attribute is known as class attribute. In terms of class, if we talking about OOP thing, then this is not a variable, this is a class attribute. What is this? This is a class attribute. Okay, so the question is, how can we access, how can we use this? Okay, so here this is our class. As we know, object is the object, through object we can use class attribute, class method. In the last video we have already seen these things. So how can we define an object? Oh, it is very simple. You just need to write class name, then you can use anything. One object one, you can use the object name. Okay, and then you need to write one keyword, new, and then this is how you can declare an object. Okay, and how can you access the class attributes? It is very simple. See, let's say system dot out. Okay, obj1 dot, you need to write object and then use dot, and after dot you can call method and class attributes of any class. Okay, so this is how you can call class attributes. Okay, so this is your class attribute. Okay, how can you run this? You can simply run this and you will find the output 9. Can you modify this class attribute by using object? Of course, yes, a big yes. So how can you use this? obj1 dot x is equal to 89. Okay, we are just overriding the value, we are just overriding the class attribute via using object. Okay, so if we run this program and we will see the output of 89. So we can access the class attribute via object. We can modify and override the value of object override the value of class attribute via method, via object. Okay, so this is all about class attribute. We can use string, we can use any type of data type. Okay, I'm not just going to take so many example, you can try it on your own. Okay, so second thing is, what is class method? So class method is nothing but the basic function that we use in Java programming language. But if we talk about uh, here we talking about OOP thing, that's why we are taking the function name as class methods. Okay, so what exactly this is? So let's say public. Okay, why we are using this public is a modifier. We will understand in the next video what exactly is access modifier in terms of object oriented programming. Okay, so public, and let's say void, and let's say method name is call. Okay, so this is our method name. And okay, and we can use system. dot println. Okay, this is our class method. Okay, so in the same way as we are dealing with the class attribute via using object, in the same way we can call our method or class method also. See, obj dot one or CA double S. So this is how. Okay, one minute. See, why this is creating error? Because object one dot call is a method that we need to uh, call. Okay, this is how we can call our class method via object. Okay, we cannot print anything because we cannot print via using this command system dot out dot println because it is not returning anything. Okay, so if we simply run this program, then we find this is our class method. So this is all about class attribute and class method. It is very simple and easy to learn. If you find this video very simple, and if you learned something from this video, then definitely do subscribe our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked our content, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.